In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title to your chart in Looker Studio. Whether you're crafting a report for your business team, school project, or personal analysis, giving your chart a title is a simple yet crucial step that can help convey your information more clearly and make your chart more accessible to your audience. So, let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you need to make sure you're in edit mode of your report. If you're not quite sure, the edit mode is where you can make changes to your report content. Once you're in the right place, select the specific chart you want to add a title to. Just click on the chart, and you'll notice that a Properties panel appears on the right side of your screen. This Properties panel is your hub for customization. To start, make your way to the Style tab, which houses all the settings you need to personalize your chart. Focus your attention on finding the option for the chart title, sometimes labeled as Show Title. This is the setting that controls whether your chart has a title or not. So, find this setting and make sure to turn it on. Once it's enabled, your chart will be ready to display a title, and you'll have a couple of options on your hands. You can either let Looker Studio auto-generate a title for you, or, if you have something specific in mind, enter your own custom title text. If your chart tells a unique story or contains specific data, creating a tailored title can help it stand out and resonate more with your viewers. Now, with the title in place, you have the opportunity to personalize its appearance. The panel offers numerous options to ensure the title matches your report's overall aesthetic. You can adjust the font size to make it larger or smaller, change the font family if you want something more formal or casual, and choose a color that complements your chart's other design elements. Additionally, you can play with the alignment and position it to the top or bottom, depending on where it fits best. Once you've customized your title to your liking, it's crucial to see how it looks to others. All you need to do is click outside the panel or, alternatively, switch over to View mode. This gives you a clear perspective of how the title, and the chart overall, appears to your audience. Ensuring that the title is easy to read and aesthetically pleasing will contribute to the overall impact of your report. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your chart now has a clear and professional title that effectively enhances your report. Remember, a well-titled chart not only looks polished, but also aids significantly in conveying your insights.